Hey guys, so this is really fucking wild, and I want to share. I started training this model on ChatGPT 4 to basically give me predictions of where it thinks the market is going. As far as like, here, let's do this. As far as just using like a line graph, right? And I'm pretty sure you can only do it with ChatGPT 4 because ChatGPT 3.5 is not like smart enough to do it. I do have the paid version. So I wanted to show you guys. I will be like, what did I put? Can you do it again for this line graph? So ChatGPT normally doesn't give financial advice, right? You have to teach it to do certain things. I got there was a way that I did it to go around it, and it's been pretty freaking spot on, bro. Like I actually went back, right? Um, and I've been testing where this thing wanted to go, right? And I actually used the replay on TradingView, and it actually said, "Hey, you're going down to 56K." I don't have the image. It's actually the image is right here, right? So you can actually download the image, right? I'll click download. Oh, what happened down here? Oh wait, let's wait till this thing finishes. Sorry. Then I can show you guys, but this is nuts, bro. Like it gives me to the T, right? What is expected. Like here for this forecast, right? I put, can you do it again for this line graph? It said, oh, we're going down to around, I think like 48K, right? And it gave me a forecast for Bitcoin. And then for this is what Bitcoin again on the 24-hour, it said, hey, we're going to 56K, right? This is the SPX, and it said, hey, we're going to 500. So I put this graph on there, and it, from 432, right, I went back and it said, oh, we're going to 500 bucks. And I was like, are you kidding me? So right now, hopefully, it can do the same thing. It's taking a little bit longer. I'm not really sure why, but there we go. So as of right now, this is the most recent forecast. This is the most recent chart for the SPX, right? This is the most recent where we closed yesterday, Friday. What are we on? May 11th, May 10th. I don't even know what day we are, but it's May something. Um, let's go download it, right? Download, open in, open in our downloads, and then we'll go here, right? It thinks we're going to 540, right? Like I can't really, tell you what it is, but it's like it looks like it's we're going to like 539 SPX, right? And if this shit is right, right, in the next, I don't know, because it doesn't give you a time. Let me see on my phone. Go back. So I can't really. I don't know if I can ask it in how long it thinks it'll get there, right? Let me see. And how long do you think it'll take to get to the area of forecast? And again, I've been training this model for like the last hour on really specific stuff, right? And again, I'm not gonna share how I did it because, fuck it, I'm not going to. But this is wild, bro. Like it's telling us right now that it's going directly to like 540, 539 area, right? So again, it doesn't want to do it, right? You see, for financial markets to be highly uncertain, dependent on a myriad of factors. And it said it's more of a visual guide based on the chart's current trajectory rather than a prediction with a specific time frame. So it's saying that it does think that it's gonna get to 530, like 540 from here. It just doesn't know how long it'll take, but it does think that it's gonna get there. Let me see. With how? Let me see. What is your accuracy prediction that it'll get to your oh, I should have put percentage. What is your accuracy prediction percentage that it'll get to your forecast? There you go. Save and submit. Because I backtested this with Bitcoin, with SPX, right? I don't generate forecasts based on probability models. They don't be able to. These lines drawn on the charts are illustrative and are meant to be provided visual for actual forecasting with accuracy percentages. Found on see the REMA. Yeah, okay, so I would have to dive into more of a what is it, like a regression model, right? But Monte Carlo, which is machine learning, yeah, yeah. So it wouldn't be able to tell me the specific time frame. I would have to do it myself, right? But it does look like it thinks just from looking at this, right? It thinks that it's going to like a 40 area on SPX, and it's accurate because if we look at my charts, right? We actually just closed a bullish week on the SPX, right? So if I actually ran the candles, we closed a bullish week on the SPX, and I just released a video on YouTube saying how whenever we close around this area on the SPX, usually run around 20 to 30 points from here. And again, where are we? 520, 20 to 30 points will take us up to 540, which is fucking ridiculous. And I think I got Chatgpt exactly where I wanted to, where it can actually predict and give me a forecast based off of the chart that it sees. And again, this is specifically on the line graph because it can't do candles. It cannot do candles. This is wild, bro. And I did it on Bitcoin, and it predicted the drop to 56K, and it's predicting a further drop to like 48K. Which again, I am very bearish on Bitcoin. I think it's gonna drop down to like 40K, 35K, but it's predicting more recent moves. This is crazy.